Hey, welcome to episode 87 of Credit 101. In this episode, we're going to talk about those medical bills and medical debts that you guys have. I see a lot of people with medical debts, and a lot of people are concerned about what to do with these medical debts. I see some people even with medical debt into the hundred thousands. Now, one thing I don't want you guys to do is I don't want you to throw this medical debt on credit cards because credit cards is charging you interest. And when you throw it on your credit cards, you pay with your credit cards, and what you're going to do is you're going to start putting interest on this debt. And a lot of times when you guys have medical debt, it's not going to change. Like a lot of times it's going to stay whatever it is. So say if you owe $1,000, it's going to stay $1,000 after they add on any fees that they may have add on, but they're not going to start charging interest on it. Like usually you put on a credit card, maybe 29% interest. So I don't want you guys to throw it on a credit card. So all you're going to do is just make it become a larger number. Now, some things that I do want you guys to look into when you guys have medical debt, try to see if there's some way that you can let them know about your financial problems, because sometimes they can throw out certain debts. I see a lot of doctors' offices do that. They'll say, "Hey, we can cut these bills down. They can reduce it. They can take off any late fees and just make you pay exactly what you owe for whatever procedure." And then also another big thing that they can do, which is very, very important to me because I like credit. I want you guys to make sure your credit is the best it can be. They can also delay putting it on your credit reports. You know, we have a year now, they have to wait, but they can possibly wait even longer. But I do suggest for you guys to not ignore it. And also, if you can't get insurance, or if you probably don't know where to look into the marketplace. We have the marketplace, healthcare marketplace. Look there to try to see if you can get insurance so that you can just pay that bill, whatever that bill is going to be, instead of paying all these additional fees that you guys are paying to these hospitals. You can just pay whatever your fee is going to be to your insurance company. And also, if you guys have any type of deductibles or anything like that, you can pay that, but it'll be much cheaper to do that than to have all this medical debt that's eventually going to report to your credit reports. So definitely look into that. And the biggest thing is do something. Don't just sit there. And payment plans work just as well as anything else. So that can be a good thing that you guys can look into. But I'll see you guys in episode 88. If you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. I'll see you guys in the next video.